Hi guys, welcome. Salam. My name is Hussein, and in this video we'll talk about numbers from 0 to 10. 0. Sifr. 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 The temperature drops below 0. Harorat az sifr past meshavad. Harorat az sifr past meshavad. Harorat is a temperature, and sifr is 0, but most people, especially in the north part of Tajikistan, we say nol instead of sifr. 1. Yak. 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 1. So my niece is almost 1 year old. Jianam qarib yak sola ast. Jianam qarib yak sola ast. 2. Du. Du sounds almost like two. So are you two okay? آیا هر دوی شما خوب هستید؟ آیا هر دوی شما خوب هستید؟ 3. سه. 3. He is 3 years older than you. وی از شما 3 سال کلانتر است. وی از شما 3 سال کلانتر است. 4. چور. But in some places you might see chahor, which is not that common. So chor is better. So Farhod likes oranges and eats 3 or 4 a week. Farhod افلیسون رو دوست می‌دارد و در یک هفته 3 یا 4 دانه می‌خورد. Farhod is a male name. So Farhod افلیسون رو دوست می‌دارد و در یک هفته 3 یا 4 دانه می‌خورد. 5. پنج. What time is it? It's 5. ساعت چند؟ 5 است. Or you can just say punch without ast. ساعت چند؟ 5. 6. شش. 6. But also people say shish, especially in the north part of Tajikistan. So I get up at 6 in the morning. من ساعتی 6 صبح میخیزم. من ساعتی 6 صبح میخیزم. 7. ҳафт. But usually when we say that, we don't pronounce T at the end. Ҳафт, like that. She studied 7 foreign languages, but is fluent in only 4 of them. وی 7 زبان خارجی را آموخت، لیکن تنها 4 تاش را خوب می‌داند. وی 7 زبان خارجی را آموخت، لیکن تنها 4 تاش را خوب می‌داند. 8. ҳашт. And just like 7, we don't pronounce T at the end. Hash, like that. So he works from 8 to 5. وی از 8 تا 5 کار میکند. 9. نه. But now it's changed. It's no now. Instead of there is u. So no. But we still say no. She got back home at 9. وی ساعتی 9 به خانه برگشت. 10. ده. I'll finish my homework by 10. من وظیفه خانگیم رو تا ساعت 10 انجام میدهم. If you want to learn more about numbers, you can find a link to our videos in the description of this video. So we have 2 videos actually about numbers. In the first one, we talk from 1 to million, and in the second one, we talk about ordinal numbers. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Hi.